Welcome back to our Google Sheets tutorial series. Today, we're going to learn about one of the most widely used functions in dynamic spreadsheets, the F function. The F function is a powerful tool that allows you to perform different actions based on whether a statement is true or false. It can help you create more dynamic and interactive spreadsheet, making data analysis and decision making easier. Almost every dynamic spreadsheet uses the F function extensively. Learning how to use it will give you a huge advantage at work, especially in roles that involve data management and analysis. What is the F function? The F function checks a condition and returns one value if the condition is true and another value if the condition is false. Let's take a look at the basic format of the F function. The basic syntax of the F function is logical expression, a value if true, and a value if false. The condition is a statement you want to test. It could be anything from comparing two cells to checking if a value is greater than a certain number. A value if true is the result you want if the condition is met. The value of false is the result you want if the condition is false. Let's see the function in action with an example. Let's start with a practical example. Imagine you run an online store and you want to offer a discount for orders over $100. You have all your orders listed on the screen over here. And this discount value, let's say, can be 10%. You can use that to check if the order total is over $100 and so applies the 10% discount if it is. To do so, formula with an equal sign, type F, parentheses, and here you want to list your logical expression. For instance, if the value in this cell is larger or dollars, apply a 10% discount to this value. If that statement is false, then just return the same value in that cell. Close your parentheses and hit enter. And then you get this value is less than $100, so no discount is applied. You can also autofill for the rest of the cells, and you will see that the discount is only applied for values that are $100 or more. That's a quick overview of the F function. It is simple yet powerful, and you can apply it to many scenarios in your spreadsheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on Google Sheets. Stay tuned for our next video where we will dive into advanced uses of the F function.